Yes, my hair pink now. Hi everybody, today is a beautiful sunny day here in Rome and I can't wait to get out. But before I have a small haul video to make. I don't know why I always put it aside. I have to make like this whole video since 2 months. I'm really sorry, I completely forgot it. February is the month of love and one of the best places to celebrate love is Paris. And in Paris, you can't go in Paris without going to the Moulin Rouge. Not the movie, the real one. Moulin Rouge is a popular and historical place where they dance and still perform the can-can, and I've been there like around 11 years ago, so long, and I saw their show Ferry, which was amazing, and I also bought a DVD, which is this one. And yeah, I thought it would be nice to make a sort of Moulin Rouge themed haul video. So let's start from the Moulin Rouge stuff I have. First thing is this original Moulin Rouge dance bag. It's so cute and it matches with my hair. Oh my gosh, and my hair and my makeup is so cute. Well, it's like this dimension. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's perfect for me. And here there's written with glitter, Moulin Rouge, join the party. These are the details in gold, and also here. This is the back of the bag. Is really simple, but it's cute. And inside there's all my dance stuff, like my own shoes, new pair of tights, and my contortionism stuff, like those elastics here. Another pair of needle points. I don't know what it's called in English. We call it mezze punte. I don't know. Anyway, lots of stuff and it's really big. I love it so much. That's the first part of the Moulin Rouge. Second part, I promise you my like Christmas videos. Then I'm going to unbox this one, and here it is. This is the Mattel Moulin Rouge Barbie doll, and it's very limited edition. I don't know when it came out. I'm gonna put it down here, and I'm going to unbox it for you. So that's the original box. I'm so happy also to have the original box, and voila! What's written here in the back? The world's most famous cabaret, the Moulin Rouge, in Paris, preeminent spot for the can-can. Yes, true. High kicks, cartwheels, and jump splits. Yeah, the very perfect description because it's like this one. Accompanied by signature shrieks and squeals. Highlight the flirtation and acrobatic dance. Lively, tangy, and a bit risque, this legendary French tradition inspires a Barbie that is magnifique. Yes, true. Moulin Rouge Barbie doll celebrates the 120 years old can-can. Now it's 130. The frou-frou costume inspired by an authentic Moulin Rouge Paris can-can dancer design features rows and rows of frills and ruffles. Yeah. And so yeah, this one is the not the official costume that the Moulin Rouge dancers are using. The official costume is this one, and it represents the colors of the French flag, blue, white and red, and they have like boots, can-can boots instead of these shoes, and also they didn't wear the gloves, I think. But this one I saw that is a costume that they're using. This is an official costume they're using when they go outside, like performing for other parts of the world. And this is the Barbie. I'm going to put a photo here of an official dancer of the Moulin Rouge, so you're going to see that the costume is practically the same. This is the hair. These are the hair with the kind of a bow. Well, you can see also the costume here on the background of the box. She wear the tights, guys. I didn't notice that. I noticed only recently. She had a pair of tights which are so delicate. I'm really surprised. And she wears the half gloves, the choker, and the super beautiful frou-frou dress. I think she had also this, I don't know what it's called, I'm going to read it down here. We call it giarrettiere in Italian. You probably don't know that, but being a Moulin Rouge dancer is my ultimate dream, and I probably this will never come true because I'm not a professional, as are the Moulin Rouge artists. You have to do a really long audition to be in the Moulin Rouge cast, and I don't know if this will ever be like possible for me, but I'm hoping so. Then something that it's not about Moulin Rouge, but it's red. I had this Lancôme Absolute Rouge for the Chinese New Year. It's a new edition. This is the lipstick, and it's open like this. That's the color. And I already featured this one, but I don't know why. Like my last two videos, instead of editing them, I deleted them. This already happens to me. I'm really clumsy. I got this and the sky pink clay mask. This is really St. Valentine's theme because the box is pink. The confection of the mask is pink, and also the mask inside is pink because it's made with pink clay. This pink sand, I'm sorry. It smells like clay anyway. It does not like rose smells or candy smells. It smells like clay. And there's also the little spoon inside the box. Oh, I forgot that with this lipstick there's also this keychain with the wing of the pig, because this is the year of the pig. So cute. Then last pieces, I got some stuff from Kiko. This is the Waterflower Magic blush. I also use it for the upcoming makeup tutorial. This is the confection, the box, and this is the blush. The lip pencil, this is a sort of pink that I really love. And it's so beautiful. It's matching with my eye, with my hair. And then the Waterflower Magic lip lacquer. I also put it on my lips today, which is this one. Here it is. It's super matte, super beautiful, and it's super Moulin Rouge. Because the Moulin Rouge dancers, you probably don't know that, but they have to wear red lipsticks for matching all the dancers. All the dancers have to wear the same lipstick color, and they have like completely freedom on the eyes, but they have to follow like the rules for the eyeliner. No, it's a really particular way to like be in the group, so they have to wear okay guys, I'm sorry, I'm so tired today. I have an incredible headache and I can't wait to end this video. So thank you so much for watching guys. I really hope you appreciate this video, even if it's a really small one, but yeah, better than nothing, right? Anyway, my favorite product is the Barbie. It's so beautiful and I wanted it since so long. I'm so happy I'm finally able to get it. I got it on eBay anyway, and I paid a lot. Thank you so much for watching again, and if you haven't already, please comment down below, put a thumbs up on my video, and subscribe to my channel, and put the notification bell on so you will be notified whenever I upload any video. Bye and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.